Did you know that almost every 3 seconds a post about cryptocurrency is posted on the internet and social media? Why are the people so excited about it? Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about cryptocurrency. Whenever we hear about it, so many questions pop up in our minds. So here is the video that hopefully can answer all of your questions. Like, what is cryptocurrency? How do cryptocurrencies work? Should I invest in cryptocurrencies? And so on. So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is one of the buzzwords of the 21st century. A currency that removes the need for third party and uses cryptographic proofs as a means to verify transactions. Not all cryptos are currencies, only Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash and select a few others qualify the currency status. To gain access to cryptocurrency, an individual will need a cryptocurrency wallet to store a digital key that will allow to access the address of a cryptocurrency. There is a common misconception that cryptocurrencies came into the picture after Bitcoin was invented. This isn't entirely correct. There have been many failed attempts in the 90s to create digital currencies. These were in vain because of the control of a third party. How do Bitcoin work? Bitcoin, often described as cryptocurrency, a virtual currency or a digital currency that is a type of money completely cybernetic. It balances blockchain. The blockchain is a shared public ledger on which the Bitcoin network relies. All confirmed transactions are included in the blockchain. This way, Bitcoin wallets can calculate their expendable balance and new transactions can be verified to be spending Bitcoins that are owned by the spender. The integrity and chronological order of the blockchain are enforced with cryptography. A transaction is a transfer of value between Bitcoin wallets that gets included in the blockchain. Blockchain will keep a secret piece of data called a private key or seed, which is used to sign transaction, providing mathematical proof that they have come from the owner of the wallet. The signature also prevents the transaction from being altered by anybody once it has been issued. All transactions are broadcasted between users and usually begin to be confirmed by the network in the following 10 minutes through a process called mining. Mining is a process of creating new Bitcoin solving puzzles. It consists of computing systems equipped with specialized chips competing to solve mathematical puzzles. The first Bitcoin miner to solve the puzzle is rewarded with Bitcoin. The mining process also confirms transactions on the cryptocurrency's network and makes them trustworthy. It is necessary to maintain a ledger of transactions upon which Bitcoin is based. Top cryptocurrencies to invest in now: Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, Solana SOL, Avalanche AVAX. We recommend people allocate 1% to 5% of a portfolio to crypto. It's a very high risk, so it must be a long-term investment, and people need to look at it as a small cap tech stock. So here we come to the end of the video. If you found the video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video. See you in the next one.